You just lost your job, but a few months later, you realize that's actually the best thing that ever happened to you. That's called blessing in disguise. Hi everyone, my name is Boris and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about this very famous idiom that is commonly used in North America. I'll explain what it means, when to use it, when not to use it, and all of that in 100 seconds. Starting now. A blessing in disguise is something that seems bad at first, but later turns out to be good. For example, you failed an exam. That sounds quite terrible, right? But because of that, you studied harder and later on you got in very good university. So that failure was a blessing in disguise. Another example, you just missed your bus, but later on you realized that that bus got into an accident. So you just avoided an accident. It's called blessing in disguise. Or another example, you didn't get the job that you really wanted, but later on you got even a better one, so blessing in disguise. Maybe that's your life is telling you, trust me bro, a better one is on its way. Now let's talk about some rules when to use it. Use it only when the good result is already clear. So you can say, losing that job was a blessing in disguise. Or another one, at the time it was hard, but it was a blessing in disguise. Now let's talk about when not to use it. Don't say it too early. If your friend just got fired from his job, don't tell him, don't worry bro, it's a blessing in disguise. Don't tell him that if he didn't find a better job yet. By the way, blessing in disguise is an idiom. If you don't know what an idiom is, it is a phrase where the meaning is different from each and every word. So you need to learn the meaning of the whole phrase. For example, being under the weather. You can say she is under the weather today. It means she doesn't feel well. Another idiom, for example, break a leg. If you tell someone, oh, break a leg, it doesn't mean you wish that person to break a leg. No. It's actually you're wishing that person good luck. Before the exam, you can tell this person, break a leg. Alright, so if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you found it useful, give me a thumb up, comment. I read all the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.